Governor J. Kumar Bhalla and Union Minister of Donor Jyotiraditya M. Scindia co-chaired a review meeting today to assess the progress of major development projects in the state under the Ministry of Donor and North-Eastern Council (NEC). The review focused on priority sectors including handloom and handicrafts, polo promotion, tourism, connectivity, palm oil cultivation, logistics, investment promotion, and development of vibrant villages. Both leaders stressed the importance of these sectors in boosting state's economic and cultural landscape. Governor Bhalla directed officials to accelerate implementation and ensure tangible outcomes, emphasizing the need for timely delivery and coordinated efforts. Union Minister Scindia reaffirmed Centre's commitment to holistic development of Manipur and assured continued support for strategic initiatives in the region. Senior state officials, NEC representatives, and departmental heads attended the meeting.